Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can transfer even the application from your old Samsung phone to the new one. So for that you need to have a Type-C USB-C cable. As you can see right now, I adjust the phone. So here you can see you need to have a Type-C cable. You need to connect it to the one phone and you need to connect it the other side to the other phone. So once they are connected, like I will remove this one for you. So once you connected both, and either one of the phone will receive this pop-up message, you need to select smart switch. Just select just once. Now if this is your old phone, all you need to do is to select send from this phone. Now here a message will appear. You need to select smart switch just once, and here you need to choose receive from the other phone. Now it will take a bit of time to connect with that phone. As you can see, it is 4%, it is going up. So once the connection has established, I will show you the next step. So now as you can see, the connection has been established, and now I can select data. I can select everything on the phone. It will take about 49 minutes as you can see, but if I want to just select the application, just custom, next, and here you will find the apps, which is right here. So you can either choose select all apps, or you can just click here and you can select the apps that you want to transfer. Like right here, this is the list of the application, so you can select, deselect by just tapping on it. Here you will find everything that you have on your old phone. So suppose in my case I want to transfer a few of the application from here to my phone, and I will select those because some of them I still have it on my other phone, so I don't want them. So guys, once you're done with selecting all the application, just tap on done, and then it will start to transfer all the application to your new device. They say not enough space on your old phone, so maybe you need to clear some storage before transferring it. So this is it. This is the whole process. I will need to clear some space and it will start sending those applications. So guys, this is the method. This is how it works. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.